All right, real short video here. I just wanted to show you how to redeem your rewardicals. Again, this is for the fact that I am going to be converting 280 rewardicals for 56 VP so that I can stay on track this month to reaching BTL. Now, I can wait and do this at a later time to see exactly where I'm at on the 31st and not having to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So let's do redeem. All right, so here's the Versa points that you can do. So based on this many rewardicals here, the 16,000 plus rewardicals, I can convert to several different things here. So as you see down here, my commissions, 690 rewardicals per USD is 1 penny. 5 rewardicals equals 1 VP point. Again, if you take the 3244 and you multiply that times 5, it will get very close to that 16,222 rewardicals that I have. I'm so happy. Just think of some people here have millions of rewardicals, so they've got mass commissions sitting there. So I'm not quite there yet, but we're working towards that. Okay, so there's other things that you can do here as well, but I am looking to convert to 56, so let's go ahead and do that. You click on this little arrow here. That's going to bring up your Versa points. It tells you how many do you want. I only want 56. Type in 56, click out of there. That's going to tell you the price is 280 rewardicals, like I said. That's going to leave me with 15,000. That's still a good amount. So I'm going to go ahead and these are just from doing daily tasks, just simple little things that you do. It takes about half an hour of your time. As long as your games, your easy, which is Eager Zebra games, it's not taking you too long to get through those. Typically, the first game I play, I usually get through that no more than probably 5 times playing. The other one takes a little bit longer. I play first poker and then I play Zack-Jack. And Zack-Jack usually takes me, oh my goodness, I think the most that I've actually had to do was like 35 games one day. So just to get it to get all 3 things, all 3 columns, decks, if you will, to equal 21. So it took me a bit to do that. So anyway, so you've got the price of 280 rewardicals, 56 Versa points here. I'll click on continue. Again, it reminds you of the cost of that. It tells you, do you want to proceed? After you do this transaction, it is not reversible, and I do want to do that. I'm going to then go and show you now where my VP is. So let's go ahead and I'll close out of this. All right, so we've logged out of that. I'll close up that window. And this is my blog. I'm going to go ahead and go over here and show you my VP with a refresh here. Is now that magical 2039. I am on track now for my leadership here. As you see, it says pending requalification there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to work through this process every day. If I get more VP in those auctions, that's more of a benefit to getting myself there. So right now I need 961 VP, which is about 4,000, let's see, 45 into about 47, 4,800, between 47 and 4,800 excuse me, rewardical tokens, RT, that I need. But we're going to just see how it goes. And so I'm so happy. Definitely looking forward to continuing to succeed here with Strong Future International. SFI, SFI MG, which the MG just means marketing group. So you'd have Strong Future International Marketing Group. It was a pleasure. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.